Hey loves, welcome to my healing morning routine video. 2022 started off really rough and I don't think I was the only one feeling that way. So I'm going to be sharing my current 5 a.m. morning routine for 2022, along with lots of ways that you can have a peaceful and healing morning routine right on the screen. This way there's lots of ideas for calm rituals so that you can have a healing start to 2022. Click the thumbs up if you enjoy this video and be sure to subscribe while you watch.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free with me.
Thank you, Ritual, for sponsoring today's video. I have been taking my Ritual vitamins for years now. They're the prenatals that I used all while I was pregnant with Hayden, and now I'm taking their women's multivitamins. So no matter what phase or stage of life you're in, Ritual will have you covered. These are just part of my routine, so I have them placed right in the cabinet above my coffee maker. So whether I'm making my coffee or my tea in the mornings, I never forget to take my vitamins because, you know, if you're trying to heal, especially like my body has just been through so much the last few months between the miscarriage and, you know, I'm still breastfeeding Hayden and I'm just trying to take really good care of myself from the inside out. Like, I feel like that's so important. So no matter how good of a diet and how many nourishing foods I try to eat, I still need to fill in the gaps and make sure I'm getting all of the vitamins and nutrients that I need. So that's what I love about Ritual, because it just gives me peace of mind as well every single day. And it's really cool. It's part of a 30-day subscription. So every 30 days, your Ritual vitamins get delivered right to your door. So one less thing to worry about having to get at the store. And if for some reason you don't love this within the first 30 days, you can go right onto your account online and cancel your subscription. Or if you ever need to like move the delivery date or anything like that, super easy to do it right from your online account. But it's really cool. Ritual is hooking you guys up with an awesome deal. So if you head to ritual.com/BriannaK10, you're gonna get 10% off of your first 3 months of your Ritual subscription. I'll also have this link down in my description box below, so you can check that out when you're done watching this video and use my code BriannaK10 so you get 10% off of your first 3 months of Ritual vitamins.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Best friend, yeah, it hurts a bit. I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, my best friend.
My buddy.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river, get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight.
Love it here. Love it here? You love it? I know you want the camera, huh? Your helmet? I know you're like, I see myself with this big thing on my head. What is it? It's your helmet. It's your helmet. Stay safe. Keep that smart brain safe while riding a bike. Right?
Find peace when you go through the storm. I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night.
That is my 2022 morning routine. I hope that all of these ideas throughout the video helped you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share on your social media channels so that these ideas can help your friends too. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Aloha!
When you go through the storm,